pretty red birdies, aren't they? Oh, how sweet. Now let me move that. Don't want you to take off. You get your little paws up there. You want to get close? There's another little birdie. No, you think they're flying? You think they all flew out there? Did they fly all out there? They did? They flew out of that screen out there? Where did they go? Well, here's some more birdies. They showed up. This is the Ontario bird feeder in somebody's backyard. Okay, so he's sure that they flew out the door into the tree. Are you sure that they flew out there, out of the screen out there? Well, some more birdies showed up. I got up and then I came back and he was in my spot. And Remy thinks it's outside. That's not the robin outside. And he's like, he's crawled all the way over my, he's gonna go check it outside. It's not outside. It's on the computer. Oh, they were feeding the baby robins. This is an old video. Oh, he must see something up there. This video's got him ready to pounce. Aww, pretty robin. Yeah, these apparently have already fledged. But I turned the video on for him to watch because he is really interested in it. He crawls all the way over my lap and gets almost into the computer and the screen to look at it. Now, here's something outside and he thinks it's outside. You think that birdie is outside? Is it outside? Huh? Is it? It's not. I think that was the blue jay. We don't have too many robins here. Hardly ever have I seen robins. Just maybe 2 or 3 times have I seen them fly in here. I don't know what he's doing. What do you see? Let's go see. What is he all up comical about? What are we seeing up there? You see a bird? Where is that bird? I don't see it. That bird is not up there. Silly. It's still on the computer screen. Show y'all the baby robins. Oh, they're so cute. There's an egg in there. I don't know if it hatched or not. Remy's still looking for him outside. I don't see them. but I know they're up there. They have to be. You hear them? Are they up in that tree? Are you going to get those birds? But Remy's looking for them. Where are they? Are they up there in your tree? Well, I hope you find them. Did you see them? Are they in the tree? Are they? I can't go out there with them because my battery is just almost died, so. Gotta plug my phone up. I don't think you're gonna find them in that tree, Remy. He's looking. He really thinks they're up there. They're good at hiding, aren't they? You don't see them, do you? Because they're not in that tree. Come in here and you'll see them. Remy, are you looking for the birds? Where's the birds? See how he reacts when I say birds. He's like, he knows. He's so smart. He's a smart boy. Is the squirrel in the tree? Where's the squirrel? He knows what squirrel is too. You see squirrel? His ears go back. Squirrel? What about birds? Are the birds up there? Are you watching the kids play right now? Did you give up looking for the birds? Oh no, you're looking up. Are you looking up there for the bird? Well, your woodpecker friend, he keeps coming back, but I haven't seen him today. I think I heard him. Where's your woodpecker friend? Is he up there? Oh, there's some birds. I see some birds right there. Oh, they did come. They did come out, didn't they? How about that? It brought some birds to come see you. Oh, and there's a squirrely friend. Where did he go? Did he go downstairs? I don't know where the birds went. What kind of birds they were.